All right, we're going to take these nice big Idaho potatoes and we are going to make some potato skins. We're going to start off by baking them, but before we can do that, we need to get them washed up. All right. I like to use a rough cloth like this. That helps to clean all the dirt off the potato. So we're going to go ahead and get them into the water. And cold water, and we're just going to scrub them down. Next up, let's go ahead and give them a good stab with a heavy fork. Potatoes are finally done. So they're hot. What I do is I just put on my mitt like this. By the way, I cut them with a bread knife. That was the easiest way to slice them. And so let's go ahead and just scoop these out. I'm going to go around the edge just like this, because I'm going to leave a little of the potato in there, but not the whole part. So about that much is perfect. All right, we'll go ahead and get the rest of these done. Our next step in the process is to get some cheese into these potato skins. So let's go ahead and just be generous with the cheese that we're putting in. And now, typically I would do fresh bacon and get bacon in here as well. But I think what we're going to do tonight, is we're under a little bit of time pressure, and I want you to realize that you can do this too, is use some pre-cooked bacon pieces. As long as it's real bacon, that's the only thing that I'm going to advocate for. So like these, you know, these bacon bits that you can get in the store. And you can just go ahead and dump a generous amount in there. And these are going to go into the air fryer. I'm going to hold these two out. Got these on air fry at 395. We're going to try this for about 10 minutes and see where we end up. So here are our nice little potato skins. Cheese is all melted in. Look how crispy and brown they look there.